Now, in order to fly these, you need a special waiver from the Model Aircraft Aeronautics Society that gives you basically, you have to go through some special training because it's a pretty sophisticated piece of equipment. The aircraft has brakes on it. And because it's so complicated, it takes many, many years to learn how to fly these correctly. You'll notice that little piggyback tank that's on the wing, that's what the aircraft's using right now because it has such a limited fuel space inside of it. My boss son Louis is going to go ahead and unplug that. Bob's getting ready the aircraft for takeoff. It's going to be pretty loud. Former military pilot and a captain with United Airlines. Hank is the national champion in radio control scale in 1981, and his talent will be evident when you see the smoothness of the pilots that he qualified. Not counting his models, Hank has over 20,000 hours of flying time.
See you, Dad. Here, go try. Dad, look at that. That looks like a real army. Look at that.
Looks like a what?
Oh, that's cool. Look at it. Coming in. That's like that. That's cool. Here, look at that. Here it comes. Whoa. Here it comes.
Get ready to take off.
That's the one that they just bought.
Yeah?
Said a piece of something fell. Oh, look, there's one. What's wrong? Oh, he's testing out. He's trying to test out all the turning stuff. Then, here it goes! Ooh, that thing looks cool. Yeah, that thing looks cool. Look, it comes out a little parachute. I don't know. Here it goes.
This Hank is going to make a few passes.